Hello, dear friends and subscribers. Today we have a special episode. We will talk about how to install ambient lighting for the climate control unit in your Lexus IS200. This simple yet stylish upgrade will give your interior a unique sporty look. All right, let's get started. I won't show the process of disassembling the unit, but in the end, I have the unit in my hands, and we'll see how it can be disassembled. First, let's clean off all the dust. Then we'll proceed to action by removing all 4 bolts. After removing the 4 bolts, we detach the cable. Guys, this needs to be done very carefully. After this, we proceed to remove all the bolts again. Once the 4 bolts are off, we carefully remove the cable. It's crucial to handle this step with precision. Then we dive back in and dismantle all the bolts once more. Let's keep the momentum going. All right, folks, we're almost there. We need to get rid of the unnecessary parts and then meticulously dismantle everything. I mean, when I say everything, I mean every single detail. Here's what we need. A 12-volt LED strip with red LEDs. This is all it takes to give this beauty a sporty red glow. I'm using this LED strip like a master craftsman, carefully placing it, running the wires, and just like that, we've achieved our goal. All right, everyone, we're almost there. We've completed about 70% of the work. Now I'll be testing it with a battery to see how it illuminates. Oh, wow, it looks fantastic. Let's keep pushing forward. Moving on to the display. We carefully extract the display, delicately using tweezers to remove the 2 plastics. Next, we tailor the LED strip to fit and solder 1 kOhr resistors and wires to connect it to the power supply from the screen's bulbs. You know, this step is crucial to ensure a seamless integration of the lighting. It's all about precision and finesse. just like in every step of our process. Now, as we move forward, we are creating an experience that not only looks stunning, but also functions seamlessly. That's the beauty of craftsmanship, attention to detail, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. After carefully soldering everything in place, we proceed to test the illumination using a battery. Following this, we meticulously take sandpaper to delicately remove any paint overspray from the plastic, ensuring a pristine finish. Each step in this process is vital to achieving not only a functional outcome, but an aesthetically pleasing one as well. This attention to detail is what defines our commitment to excellence and the relentless pursuit of perfection. As we proceed according to plan, we meticulously position everything in place, ensuring a seamless installation of the LED strip. Subsequently, we reassemble all the components, carefully soldering the wires to the power source, both positive and negative terminals. If your LED strip fails to illuminate, it's likely a simple mix-up of positive and negative connections. Here on this channel, we showcase the art of transforming and crafting LED designs. Share in the comments which car you'd like us to illuminate and test specifically for you. Additionally, don't forget to visit our Instagram page, where you'll find a showcase of all our projects. Follow us, and remember to hit the like button, for your support is what motivates me to create even more content.